Good morning, children. Rain in summer. It is Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. He was the poem 1882లో ఈ పోయము రాశాడు. వాజ్ ఏ ఫేమస్ అమెరికన్ పోయెట్. ఇది అమెరికన్ పోయెట్, స్కాలర్ అండ్ నవలిస్ట్. హీజ్ ఫస్ట్ కలెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ పోయమ్స్ వాజ్ వాయిస్ ఆఫ్ నైట్ వాచ్ was followed by ballads and other poems. His poems inspired many attracts artists and composers and were wrote not only in classrooms but in care meetings as well. They were appreciated for their lyrical quality. So let's start. In the poem, the poet has observed the rain, has expressed feeling and illness whatever observed in the first day. అయితే how beautiful is the rain, how beautiful is the after the dust and heat in the board and fire street in the narrow line, how beautiful is the rain. దీని గురించి ఎస్టర్డే మనం నేర్చుకున్నాము ఈ పోయము. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ స్టేజ్, how it clatters along the roofs like the tromp of hooves, how it gushes and struggles out from the thought of the overfalling spot across the window pane. This poem be every noise tap of can you roof tuck tuck be sound that is the long the roofs you can so roofing the picture how it cater along the ropes like the trap of ropes hopes like the horses run that what is the sound he so he compares the sound of the rain and fall and roar of the sound when the horses run. Okay, that is how it clatters along the ropes like the tromp of hoops. So what is this like the tromp of hoops? Spots. What is the spot? This thing, the spot that is called versus and gushes means full force water. See that that is when can see the way no down with full force. Gushes what means with full force. It is coming out to how it is goes and struggles out. Okay, we go to out. I will parent rain children. So no, so we do what do we say? Rope, spot, pipe, the throw. Spot meanings. What is the meaning? Pipe, the throw out water from the sit. Sit next window pane. These windows next we all sit there watch the so the time can see the drop rain falling white and the rain public the so across the window panes. It pure and fuse next also window pane and he now telling that rain it force that force cross the window pane. Next, అయితే in the second the observing the poet compares the rain with the different things such as the sound of rain on the roof like the trough of hopes and spot as the throat of the human being in the which the rain is struggling to come out with a plentiful stream. So in the where in the poet shed is a experience academics is the basic the of his observation. So let's see the what happened he observed in the what through stage the poet.